Oh look, everyone. There's a big wall up ahead.
Yeah, let's go check that out.
The wall is so high.
Oh look. There's a cork on the wall.
Why would there be a cork on the wall?
I don't know, but let's see what happens if we pull the cork off the wall. Okay, I am going to pull the cork out of the wall now.
Oh shit. The water is leaking through the crack of the wall.
Yeah, and it's now flooding.
Ho daar u kids ook afloat in uw little town, that's it. I'm reporting this incident right now. U little bastards will be so grounded for a very long time.
Aren't these tulips wonderful, Boris?
Yeah, but you are more wonderful than these tulips.
Huh? What the?
Oh no. The town is flooding.
Please. Tell us what's happening.
Why is this whole town is flooding?
The truth is that we pulled the cork out of the wall and caused a flood. Why aren't you angry, Dad?
Aren't you going to ground us?
Actually no, we are not going to ground you.
Really, Dad?
You're not going to ground us at this point?
Nope, we're not. We're sick and tired of grounding you kids all the time. But we are going to tie you kids up on the windmill.